In this video, I will tell you how to use shortcodes to be more personal with your client. Shortcodes are designed to collect user data to use them in further communication. They allow you to be more personal in your bot communication with the user. Let's see the example how to collect the name of the user and to use it in further communication in your bot scenario. Shortcodes are collected through forms in Odus. So to collect the name of the client, I need to create the form. I ask the user the question, "What is your name there?" and assign the shortcode full name from the list to this question. So, after the user goes through the dialog structure and reaches this form, he receives this question, answers it, and then sees the final message that also uses the shortcode assigned to this question. Please pay attention. To collect data from the user, you need to create a form without integration. So, as soon as your user passes through this form, you can refer to the user by name in all further answers. To do this, you need to assign the shortcode in the answer. In one form, you can collect as many data as you like. But we do not recommend creating long forms like stated in my example here. Since the user enters the form, he or she will not be able to leave it until the questions end. That's why we strongly recommend you to create short forms to collect data from your user and to use no integration there. And some more tips to use shortcodes. You need to remember that every single time you request the same parameter from a user, the previous value of this parameter is replaced with a new value. For example, you cannot get from one user two different values of one shortcode, full name, or any other shortcodes. The second tip I want to share with you is ask the right questions. The value of the shortcode is recorded the entire user response to this question, so that please ask precise questions here. And the last tip I want to tell you is that you can transmit all known shortcodes at the moment and use them when integrating with Zapier.